Our friend Chef D is joining us this morning, not from our canteen, but from the Barbados. Oh, lucky you. And you've got something fishy going on.
We have something fishy going on, Annette. I'm here with Chef Jose and another Chef D, Diego here, on the beach in Barbados. It doesn't get much better than this. We have some fresh barracuda. Chef got some barracuda in, and then he and his team marinated the barracuda in just some citrus vinegar, right?
Yes.
And herbs and spices from the local island. So then the great thing about being down here, Annette, was we get to do some amazing things and get to meet some people every time we come down. This is our 10th time coming down. And so we have some barracuda on, we've marinated it. We have a charcoal barbecue. So it's almost being like, you know, back at the CH studio with the pizza oven, and away we go. So now this in real time, we put it on, and we're going to, it takes about between 9 and 10 minutes to sear this. And we put it with the skin side down, so you get your skin nice and crispy, and away you go.
I've never had barracuda before. What's it taste like?
It's like halibut, you know? It's that big, meaty, almost like, you know, when you bite into it, it has that nice bite to it. And again, it's fresh, so it doesn't taste fishy at all. Here they do a lot of it with maybe Parmesan crusted, citrus crusted, and then we're going to serve it with a salad. But Annette, we're in Barbados, and we got to toast a little bit of, this is a typical rum punch. Oh, I'm going to have to make that for you when I'm back, okay?
Yeah, you're going to have to.
So then what we've done here is we've taken some lemons, we've grilled off our lemons, and then we're going to place a couple of lemons on our plate. We have a citrus vinaigrette, and then we're going to finish it with some more of the vinaigrette. We're here at the Hilton, a great property. If Trish wants to show, Annette, I got to show you the waves right now.
Oh, that's so much nicer than the snow that we're getting this morning, and the snow drifts. And hello to all the tourists there. This is awesome.
We have Canadians down here. We were having breakfast today, and actually a couple beside us are from Elmira, and they go, "Hey, you're Chef D and from CH." So, you know, we go to Barbados to see friends from Ontario. Okay, so what we've done here is we've taken a salad. You can do this at home. Again, you know, you might not have fresh barracuda, but you could use salmon. You could use some tuna on it, some arugula. We have some pickled white onions. Of course, we have some cabbage. We have some radishes. And then we roast it off because you know how much I love roasting off tomatoes. It brings out the natural sugars in the tomatoes and just tastes that much better. We're just going to put a couple more on. And then also, too, want to give a shout out to Chef because he and his team did a great job of setting all this up for us. And it's been so much fun. And he also, a good friend of the station, John Higgins, met with Chef back in December.
Very cool. Okay, now when you bite into that dish, all I'm thinking of right now is that Heart song, Barracuda. Does that automatically make you think of that?
It does. Okay, and then I'm going to show you, just see how beautiful, nice and thick that piece is.
Nice.
Oh. Annette. Okay, when are you guys coming down to help us shoot down here?
Okay, today would be a perfect day, but I got to tell you, you're missing Chip Day back home. If that makes you jealous, I doubt it does. So is this recipe going to be up on your website?
Yes, we will put this recipe up on our website and a whole lot more, and away we go, because we're going to share a whole bunch of stuff. Hey, Annette, I had to come down to Barbados to wear long pants. That's a whole nother story.
Yeah, I know. I saw your post because you were going to some fancy dinner and you had to wear long pants. So I know on a day like today, even here, you would be wearing your shorts. So you and Trish have a lovely and very well-deserved vacation, and we'll see you back next time in our canteen.
Okay, thanks, Annette. You take care.
Okay, thanks. And again, Chef D, and hello to all the tourists there, all the Canadians. We will have Chef D's link up on our website, chch.com/morninglive, so that you can try those recipes at home.